Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that just like any feature on a smartphone, autocorrect and predictive text have their ups and downs. They can help you correct your misspelled words or they can ruin the entire conversation for you. The reason this feature exists on your phone is to help you make fewer errors while typing. But if they do more harm than good, you may want to turn off autocorrect on Android. So now I'm gonna show you how to turn off autocorrect on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, first thing you can go to settings menu and then you can scroll down till the bottom and go to system. So now you can go to language and input and then go to on-screen keyboard. So the default keyboard of Infinix is using emoji keyboard, so you can tap on it and then you can click setting on the bottom like this. And then now you can go to input, you can scroll down and you can turn off auto correction for spacebar and punctuation automatically correct. Alright, now you can try it on your keyboard and your keyboard will not using autocorrect anymore. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to turn off autocorrect on Infinix GT10 Pro and thank you so much for watching.